Hello dear students, welcome to BIC's Karnataka PUC CET show. In this ETP series episode, I am going to discuss numericals on the first chapter from part 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. These are exam focused 2-mark questions. Now let us look into this question which was asked in 2015 exam, just previous year. Now let us look into the problem. Calculate the number of atoms. So what is that we are supposed to find out? Number of atoms in 40 grams of sulfur. And what else is given to us? Atomic mass of sulfur is given to us as 32. So in this problem we are supposed to find out the number of atoms. To find out the number of atoms, the first part is, first we should find out the number of moles and we divide it with Avogadro number of atoms. We will be getting the total number of atoms present in 40 grams of sulfur. This is the thinking line that with which we can solve. Now look at this. 1 mole of sulfur contains 32 grams of sulfur in it as per the given data. Therefore, how many moles of sulfur will be present in 40 grams of sulfur? So, in 40 grams of sulfur, how many moles of sulfur is present? So, to calculate the number of moles of sulfur present in 40 grams, 40 divided by 32. That gives us the value as 1.25 moles. So, if they have asked the problem as how many moles of sulfur is present in 40 grams, then we could have stopped at this level only. But then they have not asked the number of moles, but instead they have asked the number of atoms. So what we should do to find out the number of atoms? Multiply the number of moles that we got with the Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So, when we multiply 1.25 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, you will get the value as 7.527 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. See, such a simple problem that will be asked for 2 marks. So if you calculate in this way, as I have shown to you here, you will be able to get the complete 2 marks. Keep watching all of these ETP series videos which are containing all exam focused points. Plus, we have also released our BIC app. You can download our BIC app from the Google Play Store. It is in the name as BIC PUC, and there in the audio podcast we have discussed many 1 and 2 mark exam focused questions. Keep practicing, and along with the audio podcast you will also be getting the study material for that particular podcast. Keep watching all of this, learn and then score good marks. All the best.